Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place you'll modify. Once done, press Ctrl+4 or click Home, right arrow move to enable the Move tool. You need the Move gizmo visible so you can access grid options directly. Make sure the gizmo is centered on any selected part. Next, open grid settings from the View menu or by right-clicking the Move gizmo. This exposes snap increments and axis lock controls. Do this now so you can change. Once the grid settings panel is open, change the snap increment to the exact value you need. Type 0, 5 or 0, 25 for finer placement or 1 for whole units. You do this because the Move tool snaps parts by that increment, so altering it changes how pieces align. Then toggle Use Snap On and lock any axis you don't want moving. Make sure to test by dragging the gizmo. You'll see parts jump by the new increment. That confirms the setting applied. To finish, save your place or create a template so your chosen snap increment persists across sessions. This avoids repeating the change. If you notice snapping behaves unexpectedly, check whether you're in local versus global move mode. Local changes movement relative to object rotation, so switch modes to match intent. If settings still don't persist, restart Roblox Studio, reopen the place, and reapply the grid increment. If that fails, reset the editor settings and reconfigure the snap value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.